Is it really necessary? No, but that added extra battery is pro. Smell like new phone to me. What up, YouTube? My name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech and anything creative, player. Anyways, today is iPhone day, you know. My iPhone day is going okay. Let me just inform you a couple of things. Ordered online, got the reservation at the store for in-store pickup reservation for 11:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. I get there at 11:30 sharp. A player was on time. I was on time. So I see a long line, then I see a short line. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm definitely in a short line. I got a reservation, you know what I mean? Walk up to the short line. He tell me I gotta go to the big line. So he walks me basically to the end of the line and put me at the end of that line, and it wasn't moving. Man, we gotta talk. Man, hey, Tim Cook, Tim Apple. Nah, you Tim. Come here, player. We gotta talk about this Apple Store situation. In short, my experience of in-store pickup, no, I'm not a fan. But nevertheless, I still got it. And I was doing my unboxing outside up at the park, but I wasn't feeling that vibe either. I scraped my knee getting on the bleachers. It's just one of them days. So we just gonna get into this right here, right now, and it's just gonna be that. And I'm gonna act like, oh, I'm unboxing it for the first time. Ooh, wow. No, I'm just playing. But here it is, midnight green, iPhone 11 Pro. This is the 5.8-inch model. I am taking a break from the big Max. So, CJ, why would you want a smaller iPhone 11? I'm gonna show you why, player. Look at that. Look at that fit. Bam. Yeah, look, man. Bam. That's what I'm usually dealing with. That's my back pocket usually, man. You see that? Just this year, you know what I mean? We'll see about next year. You already know, papers coming there. Them headphones that I doubt anyone use. I got AirPods. Oh, but we do got the new fast brick that I'm almost about to drop. Bam! It's about time. Long overdue. And then you got the lightning to USB-C cable. But when it comes to that cable, I'm not using Apple's cable. I'm gonna use Nomad's cable. Nomad has this Kevlar cable. This thing, do you know what Kevlar is, player? Kevlar stops bullets. You heard me, bullets. Anyways, this thing is durable, so you could go out and about, you could beat this thing up, you know what I mean, wrangle it and all that stuff. You don't have to worry about it. And also it's a darker black color, so you don't have to worry about it getting dingy. Those white cables, after a while, yeah. And I'm a little judgmental if your cable looking like. Anyways, do yourself a favor, get you one of these Nomad Kevlar cables. They're really dope, really great. I mean, you don't have to, obviously, but it's a nice convenience to have for travel and all that. I'm about to do some traveling. Speaking of traveling, a player is going to YouTube next up, YouTube Black. Yo, this is a super dope experience. Fly me out to LA, workshop, all that good stuff, man. I'll give you more on that later. Smell like new phone to me. Smell like a pro phone to me. I'm just trolling. So look, don't mind this mess. That's for me packing and all that stuff. That's also when you have good friends over at BH Photo, you know what I mean? That's another story. Those of you who are in the camera and lenses and things like that, I got some content coming, player. You thought this camera was fire. I got some real cameras that's fire. So one thing I want to say about this midnight green color, since I know this is a new color, a lot of people are wondering about it. I think for the user who typically gets the space gray, or you like that muted, more darker tone color, something not too flamboyant or extravagant like the gold iPhone XS and XS Max and so forth, like this is an alternative to the space gray. So if you like the darker colors and you know the more somber tones, you know what I mean? I like wearing all black and stuff, but I had the gold XS Max. I did the flamboyant shiny boy. Now this time I'm doing the more matte dialed down tone. You know what I mean? It's new. So for all the hype beasts that went and got the midnight green, hype beasts like me, yeah. So it has this nice matte feel, you know what I mean? But this is glass. There is no such thing as the world's strongest glass, man. Glass is glass. Glass will always shatter. So if you think you could go naked and not have no problems, player, you tripping. So yeah, I got this. Now look, this is the Apple clear case. Is it really worth the expensive markup? No, not really, but I grabbed it because I didn't have any cases yet, but that changed today because I did receive some cases. Let's go ahead and put this bad boy in. Let's see if it's really worth it. Is it anything nice? You know what I mean? Now, what I can say about this is it is slippery. I prefer a case to give me more grip than the glass. Literally the matte backing that you get on the bare iPhone has more grip than this case right here. So that's my caveat number one. And then my caveat number two is I don't like the way this clear bevel is right here. Yes, it's raised, giving you protection from your lenses getting scratched, but it just, I just don't like the way it looks. I'm basically letting you know, you can spend less with a company like, which I'm not a fan of saying the name because they used to send me cases, then they just went ghost on me. So yeah, I mean, I should mute out their name, huh? But you know your boy wasn't gonna go caseless. Come on, man, I got RhinoShield cases right here. This will be a separate video because they sent me a lot, so I have a lot to show you. RhinoShield, man, you already know. I roll with RhinoShield. It's the best smartphone cases. That's what the link says down in the description below. Go ahead and get you one. Video coming soon. The long box that rhymes with watch. This is the Apple Watch Series 5. Yeah, so we're gonna retire the Series 4 and we're going, I smell an always on display. I smell an always on display. Yo, I love smartwatches. I'm the smartwatch guru. I can't wait to open this bad boy. You know, that'd be another video too. So if you wanna see that, it's in there. Here's a realistic view on the entire iPhone 11 lineup. If you're just someone who wants an iPhone, just an iPhone that does what iPhones do, latest chip, nice camera. You don't need the third lens because you want just an iPhone. The iPhone 11 is the iPhone. The Pro, that's for hype beasts like me. If you want the above and beyond, if you create a lot of video creation with your smartphone, anything like that, this is the one you definitely want to get because the camera-ness is crazy. Is it really necessary? No, but that added extra battery is pro. The added camera just adds to the ability of this bad boy. Quality, premium smartphone that breaks easy. Get your Apple Care. Get a case, okay, man? Just get a case. Save yourself the drama. Save yourself the tears. Put a case on it. My name is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech and anything creative. That was the iPhone 11 Pro unboxing. I just wanted to make this short and straight to the point. I got more videos to shoot, so I can't spend all my time just unboxing this bad boy. I still gotta go set it up and all that good stuff. Man, what a day, man, what a day. What a day. Yeah, I'm all up in your face, Apple. Let me tell you something. You need to use a different word because it's not a reservation. If I have to come to your store and still stand in line, it's just a glorified first come, first serve. It's still first come, first serve. It's not a reservation. Change the naming. Y'all always being tricky and slick with your marketing and naming and branding and so forth. It's rather annoying. It's not a reservation.